Welcome to Lexus of Edmonton, located off 111th Ave and 170th Street. Today we are looking at a 2020 Lexus RX 350 F Sport Series 3 in the color Caviar. Under the hood, you have a 3.5-liter V6 engine producing 295 horsepower. You have your triple LED headlamps and headlamp washers, 20-inch F Sport alloy wheels, panoramic view cameras, and keyless entry into the vehicle. You have black leather interior throughout with a 10-way powered front seat. And on your driver's panel, you have your auto high beams, rear trunk hatch, heads-up display, heated steering, and panoramic view monitors. And on your door panel, you have your memory seating, powered windows, locks, and side mirrors. Your F-Sport steering wheel comes with paddle shifters. You have rain-sensing wipers, Bluetooth and audio controls, your cruise control and lane assist settings. You also have your multi-infotainment display controls. You have a 12.3-inch touchscreen display in the middle, which is also controlled by your Lexus trackpad. You have your audio and dual climate controls, a space for your device, USB ports for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, your heated and ventilated front seats, a wireless charging pad, cup holders, your mode selector, and above you have your controls for your panoramic sunroof. Heading into the rear seats, you have your heated seat controls in the middle. You also have your armrest and storage space. And on either side, you have power folding rear seats. In the rear trunk, you have your anchor points throughout, alternate power folding seat controls. You have your tonneau cover, your spare tire below, and you also have a kick sensor to open and close the rear hatch. So come down to Lexus of Edmonton today, where we will find a vehicle best suited for you.